So we have seen that we have the string instrument, right? Sitar, guitar, etc. And some other things like the flute and all. So different musical instruments are there which works on the air column also. So vibrations are necessary, which is created in the string bass instrument by vibrating the length of the string using the fingers, right? So because of this, the different notes are produced. Now if we think of the musical instrument like flute, the holes of the flute are open and closed continuously, कोई open close करते हैं to change the length of the vibrating air column inside it. So what will happen due to it? The sound production notes will be different. So instrument is only just closing those holes, we are changing the length of the air column. Okay, so this was done. Thereafter, you know about the saptasur of music, that sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, that way. So that is all different and which has got different frequency. For example, sa is having 256, re is having 280, ga 312, ma 346, pa 384, the 428, and if you come to ni, it will be 480, the nearly double. Okay, so this is what is the frequency of saregama padani, and again it will come to sa back. I hope you all have seen all different this type of musical instrument, right? So there can be an app which can be for the generation of different sound notes, okay, which is available on your cell phone, and with the help of that app we are able to generate sound notes according to the table. Now how the sound is produced in the human, that was the next thing. Here children, we know it, we can speak loudly, we can speak softly, right? Whatever way you talk, but just you keep the fingers on your neck part, what you will feel? Yes, something, some vibrational things are felt by you when you are talking, correct? Huh? So we can feel with our finger a heart bump that seems to move here and there when the sound is produced, and that is nothing but the larynx. Okay, so it is at the upper end of the windpipe. See, I will show you the position also. Hmm? So two vocal cords are attached across this voice box, or this larynx is also called as a voice box also. Huh? In such a way that they leave a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. Correct? So see, you can see that for the passage of air, narrow slit visible. Okay. Now when the lung force air through the slit, the vocal cord vibrates and thus the sound is produced. The muscles which are attached to this vocal cord, whatever this larynx part, that is vocal cord, sorry, the voice box. So muscles to attach to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. जो भी इसके मसल्स है उसको लाइट या लूज या टाइट करने की क्षमता दैट मसल्स आर हैविंग. ओके, सो व्हेन द वोकल कॉर्ड्स आर राइट, टाइट, एकदम टाइट और थिन है, तो क्या होगा? द क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड विल बी डिफरेंट. नाउ one practical is told. For example, you take two rubber strips out of an unused bicycle tube and then two pieces of one on the other and stretch them tight and blow the air through the gap between them. Hmm? Now what will happen as the air blows through the gun? When the air blows through what this gap which is there, can you see this gap? Here, here, this part, here and here. So when the air is blown into this part, what will happen? The air blows through the gap between the two rubber strips and the sound is produced. So in a similar manner, ऐसे ही कुछ larynx में भी हमारे होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे can just show it to you. Here, can you see this gap between these two larynx का part? Now you observe this. Okay. So the air is blown and then thus the sound is produced. Okay. See, different sounds all are having. So if you'll take the bobo of dog, cat ka mew mew sound, etc., all will be all available to you. You can feel the tension on the vocal cords when you will change the when you change the tension. Okay, so when the tension is changed, the vocal cord changes and produces different types of sounds. Now let us go ahead with the loudspeaker. How the loudspeaker works, how the sound is generated by loudspeaker. I hope everybody has seen the loudspeaker, right? So see here, I've shown you the internal arrangement of the loudspeaker. So you can understand. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it, or else it is there in the textbook also. Here it becomes little colorful. That's it, or kuch nahi. Okay, so what you are going to do it is like you are going to take one permanent magnet. One permanent magnet you are going to take, and then a coil is wound around it and a current flows through through coil. So this part, children, this is the coil, correct? And this is the permanent magnet. And then they have brought the magnet near to each other. They move depart depending upon their position. In the same way, here, depending upon the magnetic field created to the coil moves back and front. See the magnetic field which is created from north to south this way. So what will happen, children? See, depending upon the this magnetic field which is created by the coil, this blue colored coil is there na, from the because of that the magnetic field is created. So what will happen? This particular part will move back and forth. So coil moves back and forth. जो coil था वो ऊपर नीचे जाएगा. Okay, not ऊपर नीचे, just sidewise, back and forth. You can see here. Okay, this is how the actually the loudspeaker works. So whatever two magnets are brought near to each other, depending upon their depending upon the magnetic field created by the coil, it can move front and back, uh, forth and back continuously, and the frequency of amplitude depends upon the movements of the coil. So which depends upon on the vibration in the car. Now next is we have seen the back and forth motion of the prongs of the tuning fork, right? So what we do tuning fork को कैसे करते थे? So you have here sound which is produced by just gently touching the screen on the loudspeaker. You can make out. Okay. Now I'll just tell you what all things are harmful to you. Loudspeakers are not loudspeaker gives the loud sound, correct? So where we can use it, where you have the public places जहाँ पे कुछ announcement करना है, हाँ? But remember that sound level is around 100 decibels and it is harmful to us also. So children, you are not going to hear a loud loudspeaker during Navratri festival also. After learning this chapter, what you are supposed to do it, you are going to wear bandhanis. Hello. So we have observed that last year only that 100 decibel. I hope you know it. It's a unit of loudness of sound. Huh? So that if it is more than 100, then it will be harmful, right? So when you use loudspeaker, definitely it is going to be very loud. So what to do? We should keep a limitations. If you are seen near the hospitals, schools, etc., you put that you must have seen something like ऐसा करके उसके ऊपर क्रॉस करते हैं. See this signature. This way they say that means you are not supposed to use the horns also. Okay, so such things are there. The control is kept to control the sound pollution which is created due to the traffic and all. Okay, so that's all about this chapter.